Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 13 water, and chapter 13 reading completed, and today I will give fill in the blanks. Now come to the fill in the blanks from chapter 13. Fill in the blanks. Listen, 13. Fill in the blanks. First one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is the fill in the blanks. So you can see that first one, we all need dash to live. We all need dash to live. We all need water to live. Here, first one, what we will fill? Water. First one, water. Second one, dash is the main source of water. So rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Third one, water from a river is cleaned and stored in big tanks. Stored in big tanks. Fourth one, impure water is harmful to health. Impure water is harmful to health. Fifth one, the availability of fresh water is too dash scarce. The availability of fresh water is dash too scarce. So in first one, what you will fill? We all need dash water to live. Rain is dash is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Water from a river is cleaned and stored in big dash tanks. Impure water is harmful to health. The availability of fresh water is too scarce. Availability of fresh water is too scarce. Now come to the true false. B, true false. In this first one, life is not possible without, true false. We can live without water. False. We can't live without water. All water is safe to drink. All water is safe to drink. False. To purify water, we must boil and filter it. True. To purify water, we must boil and filter it. True. Sea water is too salty. True. Sea water is too salty. Farmers draw underground water through tube wells. That one also true. So in this, you will see true or false. First one, we can live without water. False. All water is safe to drink. False. To purify water, we must boil and filter it. True. Sea water is too salty. That is also true. And fifth one, farmers draw underground water through tube wells. That is also true. So this is the tick the right answer also. Come here, you can see, tick the right word. Life is not possible without water. Life is not possible without water. First one. Second one, rain falls from clouds. Rain falls from clouds. Water from rivers, lakes and ponds is not safe to drink. Not safe to drink. Most of the water is present in oceans. Oceans. Fifth one, water in most homes comes through taps. So this is the tick the right word. Till here, all of you write in your GSC copy. Till here, all of you write in your GSC copy.